Hello.
Bro,
So I have a weird question for you. I was gonna ask you if I could pressure wash your driveway and sidewalks for free.
for free.
For free.
So you do TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok, YouTube. I record it, do transformation videos, and
Okay. So at
the pressure's on FL.
you see your phone?
I just started it, but I've had a business for about a year now. But just for like advertisement, I was gonna just do free pressure washes once a week, and basically I just record transformation videos.
Yeah, please.
All
That would
good.
be a blessing. Thank you.
So what's it called?
I'll move my van.
Okay, cool. It's called The Pressure's On, and then FL for Florida at the end.
All right. Oh yeah, right here.
Yep.
I got you, bro.
I appreciate you guys.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll start getting everything set up here.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Dang, so this is gonna be on the internet.
Yeah. All finished.
All right. This looks better than I have ever been able to do.
Yeah. Has it ever been pressure washed before?
By me.
By you?
And my husband did it a couple times.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Never
Yeah.
looked like this.
Nice.
I was gonna do it, but
Uh-huh.
we lost the nozzle to our thing,
Oh yeah.
and
Huge
like
waste.
it's gone.
Yeah, those are so easy to lose. They're so tiny.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is.
No, like we lost like
Nice.
the gun part.
Yeah.
Oh,
the
the
gun
gun
that
part.
attaches
Oh,
and
yeah.
the little attachments. So.
Yeah, you can't do nothing without
Yeah,
that, huh?
no,
Yeah.
we were out of luck, but trying to figure out something to do, and then you came a knocking. So thank
Yep.
you so much. It's just. So
Yeah, I went to
fun.
like 5 houses before this too, and nobody answered. So
Oh.
thank you for answering.
Oh, thank you for knocking.
Right?
Absolutely, it looks awesome.
Thank
you did
you.
an awesome job.
Thank you. Well,
Thank
you guys
you.
have a good day.
You too. Thank you so
And-
much.
It'll be on YouTube on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Sounds good.
Yep.
We'll comment.
I appreciate you guys.
Yes, we
Thank you.
appreciate you.
Take
You
care.
better
God
come
bless
back when
you.
you got 1 million followers.
I know, I will. I got you. I'll come back and do it again.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. And I didn't get it on camera, but the homeowner made me cookies. Peanut butter cookies. My favorite. It's a win.